We all want glass skin, and every night, as of late, women are going for it. Have you heard of skin flooding? It's a beauty trend flooding social media with the promise that piling on product before bed will have you waking up with a glow like you've never seen. Studio 5 beauty contributor Megan Moore has been looking into skin flooding. Good to see you, sister.
Thank you, friend.
And speaking of sister, I started this conversation with my sister Lindsay a couple days ago. She said, have you heard of skin flooding? And then as our conversations do, we got distracted by children and other needs. But here you are to rescue the chat.
It really is kind of having a moment.
It's a thing.
It's a thing, and it's a really interesting shift. And I think the shift is that we, for so long, we're focused on active ingredients, vitamin C, retin A, all these things that do something. But we're realizing as we get older, that actually thins the skin, right? And so now we're like, our skin is already thinning as we get older, so maybe we shouldn't be thinning it more. Maybe we should be plumping it up, right? So the shift has come back where we're seeing that hydration is going to do more for us than maybe the actives were.
Okay. It makes sense.
It makes sense.
As you say it like that. So the videos are kind of crazy. You're seeing people really pile, like pour on product.
Yes, we're talking about layers and layers and layers of hydration. And so we're not using anything active. Again, like I said, we're going to layer on our mists, our serums, our essences. All of these are very hydrating ingredients. So again, nothing that's going to be exfoliating necessarily. And we're gonna layer them on, and not only just like one layer of the product, maybe I'll do 3 of the same product over and over again, and it will surprise you how much your skin can actually absorb, and you will go to bed looking like a jelly donut, right? You are frosted, you are glowing, but you wake up feeling plumper, smoother, and more hydrated.
Like, get serious, you notice a difference.
Absolutely. I have totally changed the way I apply stuff at night, and I have ratcheted back the active things that I use and instead have incorporated this kind of theory, and I feel like my skin is thriving.
Your skin looks awesome. Are you doing this every night?
Pretty much. Every night, every now and then I'll throw in something in the mix like an exfoliant or a vitamin C, but I'm not doing that every night.
Okay.
But I'm committed to 4 layers a night. Sometimes I get extra, and if I've got more time or if I'm feeling really dry, then I'll add in even more.
Sometimes mama goes crazy.
You know?
Okay, and you say go light to thick.
Right, the thinnest to the thickest.
Okay.
That's what you want to think about. So if it's a serum, if it's an essence, they have lots of names. They're all essentially the same, right? But you're going to start with your thinnest and then work to your thickest.
Talk us through your 4.
Okay, so I start with the hydrating skin mist. Now, essentially, this is canned water, so people think this is ridiculous. But I'm going to sell you on the canned water.
Okay.
This, you know that this is clean, it's pure, and it's almost like, you know, a lot of us have water softeners, which takes all the minerals out. This actually controls what minerals are in there. So there is some salts in there, there are some zinc in there, some different minerals, so it's a controlled situation. I also really like that I don't have to splash my face with water and get water all over my hair or down my arms. Like, it's a very controlled situation, but we know that skin does better absorbing when it's wet.
You sold me.
So start with the canned water. This can will also last you forever.
I know, this is like your Costco olive oil.
I know it
can.
sounds expensive, but you don't need a lot, and it will last you a really long time.
All right, next layer.
So then you're going to go into your clear toners. So these are going to be your thinnest formulas. I'm loving rice toners. There's a lot out there. They're very hydrating. They're going to do a lot for you. And this is a Korean concept overall. So I love to go for Korean products. This one's called Haru Haru. You can get them on Amazon. Super affordable. This is their black rice toner, and I will do 2 to 3 layers of this and just press it into the skin.
I wanted to call that out. We saw you pressing and patting.
Yep, I like to push this first layer into the skin. Again, we're not trying to create inflammation by doing a lot of rubbing. We really want the skin to just feel hydrated and soak it all in.
Okay.
So once you've got your clear toners on, then you can move to the next level, which is going to be your milky toners. So these are actually kind of a thicker consistency. I'll pour this one out so you can see. These ones tend to have some, you know, that milky color to it, and there's going to be a little bit thicker, a little bit more viscous, right? And
good word.
I know, right? And this one's by Bioma. Again, very, very affordable because we're asking a lot of products. It's great to keep them on the low end of things, but this is another great one. So you're going to move to your milky toners, and again, you can add 2 to 3 layers.
And then we moisturize.
And then we're gonna go to our thickest level. Oh, I will say, if you're gonna do something active, like you have a retinol that you wanna put on, it's gonna go in between these two steps.
Will it still work even with the layered?
It still will work. It may be a little bit more diluted, so, but I actually think that's a good thing.
Why wouldn't I put the retinol before the toners?
Because, well, again, you want everything to absorb in, and that retinol, if you put it on dry skin, it's going to absorb in the most, right? So it's gonna be really strong. So I like to thin it out a little bit. That's just a personal preference.
Okay.
So I put it in between these two steps. And then last, your thickest, your moisturizer. I love this one by Naturium, which is a really great affordable brand. So this is going to be your kind of creamy, heavy, more traditional that's gonna hold everything all in. So this is your final step. Again, this one's by Naturium, which is a super affordable brand. And this is their multi-peptide, which we know peptides are plumpers. And that's what we're looking for. And we're gonna slather that all on. And then give yourself a good 10 minutes before you lay down. Because you will be sticky and you will feel quite wet.
You will slide right off that pillow, that satin pillowcase that we're now sleeping on.
Or if you're gonna lay down, just stay on your back. Don't move for at least 10 minutes so everything can kind of absorb.
And so then you can say, honey, I'm flooded and I'm flooding.
Yep, just leave me alone. I'm processing. And then you wake up with a gorgeous glow.
Oh, we love you and I can't wait to try this. So thank you for sharing your faves. Will you link these for us?
Of course, always at thebeautysnoop.com and over on my Instagram at BeautySnoop.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna think of you as I always do. Great job, Meg.
You bet.